Guys, today we are going to do some cleaning. You guys, good morning. So we're just doing the other side. See, over there somewhere, and a big pile of mess. So that's what we are doing. Hey. Guys, so right now, you guys, we're going to my parents' place for supper. So that's what we're doing. I'm just going to go to the department store to get some tomato. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we just got home. I don't know what we're gonna do, but probably relax and just chillax a little bit. So we can just do that. Also, we're just gonna be relaxing. Fun. I don't know what we're gonna do. We haven't decided yet. What we're gonna do. So talk to you guys when we figure it out. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are watching the Emoji movie. So that's what we are doing. So that's what we're doing. Oh, I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to choose tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.